as you can tell from the title, we're gonna be decorating for fall. So it's Friday and fall officially starts on Sunday. It's also supposed to get cooler, not by a lot. Like I think the high's like 80 something on Sunday and it's gonna be rainy. So it's gonna be somewhat of a cozy weekend. I mean, we're in Oklahoma, so that's as cozy as it's gonna get for right now. So I thought we could go ahead and get out the fall decor. I desperately need to put, oh my gosh, my wreath up because I have my 4th of July wreath up. So I'm also not a big fall decorator. I mean, I like it, but I just don't like, I don't like to buy new stuff for fall for decorating because I just think that's a waste of money when I know I have stuff. So I have these pumpkins. I remember I had these. I like these. Where did I get these from? Probably Hobby Lobby. I don't know. I've had them for 2 years now. I have a 3rd one. I have all these little pumpkins, a green and a white one. These are the candle holders I usually put on my table. I kind of have an idea of something else I want to do with the table, so I don't think I'm going to use these. And I did have this like magnolia branch that I also put on the table. I have more of the little pumpkins. I also have these pumpkins because what I did is I put this down with the pumpkins around and then I was like sticking these in to kind of like fill in some space. And I didn't even take the price tag off. What the heck is wrong with me? These are from Hobby Lobby. $3.99. I know I didn't pay $3.99 for this twig pumpkin thing. Where did I? Oh, I got these when we lived in Germany. So these are kind of special. Maybe I could put these somewhere. I don't know. We'll try. We'll see. We shall see. This is the table runner I use. I'm thinking this year I don't want to do a runner. I probably should have like taken all this stuff over by the table before I did all this, but I do need to clean the table off. Guess let's get to fallifying the house. Before we do the table, I want to show you these little candles I got. So I ordered them on Amazon. I didn't even realize they were supposed to be like a pumpkin. But if you're more of like a neutral home decor person like me, these are super cute. They come in a thing of 2. They took a bit to get in. I didn't put them in a candle. I need to find one that fits, but I'm thinking like marble or something. I personally will probably leave these out year round because I really did not think it was a pumpkin. It didn't smell anything. The way they were advertised on Amazon is it looked like it was just a unique candle. Like the way the wax was dripping, I'm not gonna light these. This is not supposed to be here. My husband put that there. This actually was, I want to say like a wedding gift to my parents or something. After they passed, I kept it, and when we moved to Germany, they broke it, but my husband was able to fix it, so that's nice. Very fall, and I just very proud of this, my vintage painting. Recently got into that. It's been fun. It's a nice hobby. Okay, so this is as good as it's gonna get tonight. I have lost all motivation, but I think it looks okay. You know, I'm using what I have. And then this big one, I forgot that I usually put it on my coffee table, so I'm gonna put that there. I don't think I'm gonna use those, but it's not bad. I decided to use these gold candlesticks instead of the wooden ones. It'll do for now. I'm probably gonna rearrange it a lot. A weekend vlog like I said it was going to be because I did not pick up my camera at all yesterday. We just ran a bunch of errands and it would have been very boring. But today is Sunday and it is the first day of fall, which I'm very excited about. You'll see clips from my walk this morning. This was the first time we've been able to go on a walk and I don't know it because it's just been way too hot. It is now like cloudy. It keeps saying it's gonna rain and it has not rained. So I've been organizing some stuff. I'm organizing my closet because I have, well, no, I still need to bring my coats over, which I'm not going to be needing a coat anytime soon because it's going to get back up in the 80s this week. But I did want to switch over some of my fall. I've already done it a bit, but finish switching over the rest. And I need to go through like my sweaters. My husband, he's watching football and he had this like strawberry cream dairy wine, whatever. I don't drink, but I was like, oh, let me try it. It just tasted like alcoholic milk. Like there was no strawberry, there was no like good flavor. It was from Trader Joe's. It was disgusting and I'm like, oh, got like a gross taste in my mouth now. Not to be like, yeah, I don't drink. In June I had a drink and before that it had been 2 years because I just was like, you know what, it's just not for me anymore. I don't want to do it. But before I start like organizing the closet, I need to finish doing some laundry. I didn't do any more fall decorating. I did put our wreath on the door. I have decided I'm gonna keep the table as is for now. So my idea with like fall decorating is I think it's a waste when you buy like literally like literal things like pumpkins and all that, because you can only use it one time a year. But my style is very fall in the sense of like I like the darker moody colors for my home decor. So I kind of want to get stuff that I can use year round and maybe just like switch stuff out. But two more candlesticks to add to the table. And I was thinking either like cream, or I could do a really dark red candlestick on them, and then I could keep them till Christmas and then put green ones. I just don't like wasting money on decor that I'm only going to use like one time or whatever. So this seems like a good deal to me. These are $23.39 for the like flameless candles, and then I can put them in different stuff or just like around the house. That to me, the candles make it a little more fall. I did get some stuff in. One thing I haven't opened yet, I got some PR in, so I thought I would show you. I don't get like that much PR, but I occasionally do. So this is from It Cosmetics, which I'm not a big foundation person, and I didn't think that I would like their foundation they sent me, but I really do. I like the way it sits, like for being older. It's crazy how much from 35 to 37. I've always had dry skin, but it's definitely a little drier. It's so crazy how things change rapidly as you get older and approach 40. Oh, they sent me their CC. What was the one? Let me open these, because is that the same thing I already have? No, this one's different. This is their color correcting, full coverage, anti-aging. And what I like about the other one that I use of theirs, I have hyperpigmentation and it really covers it. And lately I've been getting very red, which I normally don't get red. Glow with Confidence, a sun blush. Oh, they sent me two. Oh, this is a really pretty color. I don't know if it's gonna be too dark for me. Maybe not, but that's a really pretty color. This will be really pretty on like a darker skin tone. I'm extremely pale right now. I don't know. I think I like the other one better, but I feel like it might be too dark. Oh gosh, if I get it on the carpet. I'm just into a darker blush right now. Anyways, I wonder if I mix them. I'm not ever against mixing. They're not that much different. Another one, Lancome. I do like when I get stuff from Lancome because they send quite a lot of goodies. Oh yeah, I've opened this because I have it on. It's the clear juicy tubes. I can never say this word. But this is actually good. I have one already and I've used it before. Do you hear the thunder? I personally feel like my skin looks more like radiant and kind of glowy whenever I use it. Ooh, a lipstick. Look how pretty that is. It's a pretty color. Let's see. Ooh. I've been on a hunt for like a darker berry color. I feel like I just haven't found a lipstick that I really like. Oh, this is an eyeshadow. Oh. I don't know if I would wear this. I feel like I don't look good in oranges. I've always, like when I get a red lipstick, I learned this back in the day when I did competitive cheer and we had to wear red lipsticks. I look better with a blue undertone. Orange ones, they don't really work for me. Pretty one. I do love their Idly mascara. That's one of my favorites. That and then the YSL Lash Clash. Those are like my top favorite mascaras. A mascara and then the Curl Boost, which I really like that too. And then my next one, so they had reached out and I said yes to them, but I did not know what they were sending. They said a perfume and they sent 4. So it's Valentino. I am excited because I want to find the one that I like and then I want to create like a really cool video with it. I have ideas. Am I going to be able to execute the way I want? I don't know, but we're going to try. And then I want to share 3 books I've ordered. When I'm going to have time to read these, I do not know. But I'm figuring now that it's like getting cozy season, it's going to get dark earlier. Maybe I'll be able to read more. But I got one in like 3 different categories. I like a mystery. A disappearance and then we find the person. That's what I like. So, which I don't really know anything about this. I got The Housemaid. I heard it was good. This is going to be my fun escape book, you know? And then I got this one, The 4-Hour Work Week, which I don't have a 9 to 5, you know? I thought it'd be interesting just to read. And then maybe my husband would like it. I'm thinking maybe this might not be the book for me. And this is, I always like to have like a beauty book. I always love, since being an esthetician, I do like catching up on what's going on in the beauty world and all that kind of stuff. This isn't really anything having to do with skincare. I mean, it's important, the Book of Lymph. I have found this. I've only read a little bit and I found it to be pretty interesting. So I'm all about just like body massage, lymphatic drainage, because I will wake up puffy. Most people, like if they eat a lot of salty food or drink alcohol, which all those things will cause me to be puffy, but also if I don't sleep enough, I will wake up and I'm puffy. I'm forever trying to not be swollen. So yeah, I just thought that was interesting. So that is what I've got in the mail this week. It's raining. Let's go look at the rain. Got some stuff in from Amazon. Do you have any idea? Oh, my shirt.
That came just as the bag?
Yeah, that's what the other one did. I ordered a size up because I didn't want a crop one, but it was the only one that matched my pants. And honestly, when I put it up to the pants, I don't know if it matches, but I went up a size and it was too big up here. So I went down and I'm hoping, my pants go up high, so I just don't want any skin showing. I got these little lip scrubber things. Look, babe, I got you one to exfoliate your lips. Well, it's chapped lip season. I didn't get it for him. Look, our little hair bottles. I'm gonna make our own hair oil stuff. So what was the final score on the Saints game?
15 to 12.
But the Saints won? Oh, they lost? Wait, but it was only 2 minutes and they were up 12-7. Oh, I'm sorry, I thought they won. Then I got pumpkin seed oil to go in these so we can grow our hair. Because currently I'm not growing. I'm losing.
Making that fried rice.
I don't know if I want rice though. It's very heavy, carby.
It's very delicious though. Steak fried rice tonight.
I know. Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to you. Who else is in this house?
But you're saying it as if you've literally talked about for a week. You're like, I'm gonna make steak fried rice because I told you I didn't like the chicken.
I know.
Oh, I don't like chicken at all. My hair is already flat. I washed, blow dried, attempted to put some curl in it, and I don't know why it just doesn't hold curl anymore. I use the Dyson Airwrap, and I mean, it's never held my curls for like days like other people say that it does to theirs, but it definitely used to hold my curls a little bit longer. I'm wondering if it's because I haven't bleached my hair in a year. This is pretty much like my natural hair color. I'm letting it grow out. This is some of the like leftover blonde. I don't even know what color my hair is. I do not want to color it right now because I am trying to get it to grow. I'm using minoxidil because I noticed I was thinning up here, and right now I'm going through the phase where I'm shedding a lot, so it's getting even thinner. But my husband saw like really good results with it in my laundry room. It's just, there's not enough space. So we used to have, okay, I'll just show you. So we used to have this here, but I needed a place to be able to hang up our drying. So we put this here and then we put that there, and there's just not a lot of room now. So I'm always very crowded in here. I also just hate coming in here because it's just never ending. But it really looks like
Hibachi.
hibachi. You sounded like it out there too.
Tell me where these go.
No? Wait, I feel like that's high.
Yeah, but there's two underneath it, baby.
Is that what they're gonna go right there?
I don't know. I haven't hung them yet.
Well, can you hang them, and if I need you to rehang them, can you rehang them?
Well, there's gonna be holes all over the wall.
Oh. Yeah, I didn't think about that. Maybe should we look at a picture?
These are pictures.
No, look at. Shut up.
You want to look at it? Here, try it.
You know what I mean? Like an inspiration picture. Yeah, they're up. Now I just need to. I don't know what to put. Good afternoon. I almost said good morning, but it's 1 o'clock. I'm just now having my smoothie. It's a Monday. My lips look different on camera. I thought they weren't as pink. Oh, I honestly forgot to have, well, I didn't forget to have my smoothie. I've been doing stuff, and I had a banana, yogurt, and apple. I had a bunch of like snacky things, but not like, I guess like a proper meal. This is my proper meal. I had planned on like vlogging more last night, but I was just in the, like just the cleaning mode, doing all my laundry, all this kind of stuff, and I don't know how people do it, because when I get like in the zone, I forget to pick up my camera, and I don't know if that's really even interesting, just watching me fold some clothes, because that's what I was doing forever. So yesterday was the first day of fall, and it's actually chilly today. Let me see what the temperature said. This morning it was really cool, and it was foggy. So I put on my new sweater that I got from, no, I don't think I told you guys, from, I think it was like Saks off 5th. We were down in Dallas so at the beginning of the month and I got it. It's cashmere and I don't know, I like it. I thought we could pull out some of my fall coats and stuff that I have in another room. I don't know how good the lighting is in this room because I can come in here. I have found what I was looking for. This is cute. This is cute for fall. This isn't really a jacket for, oh my nose, for fall, but it's more like a coat. I guess it's probably not gonna keep me that warm, so I could wear it. It's from Stradivarius. I actually got this when we were in Poland. I actually have had this for about 3 years. It's Zara. I do love this, but I'm gonna keep this in here until more of like the winter time. This blazer. I feel like it gets so dirty. It's like every day I have to straighten up the closet. This was the one I was looking for. It still fits really nice. Although the 3 buttons are kind of weird. Actually, my blazer's up here. I'm so excited about that one. Show you in the mirror. It's honestly really warm. I love this. I wore this last year with these 3 type pants and it was just so cute. I need to find a place to take the clothes because I have a lot of them to get rid of and I don't want to just drop them off at like a Goodwill or something. I want to make sure that they're given to people that really need them. I would like, since I'm short, a lot of my pants and stuff are short, maybe like little girl, not little girls, but younger girls could wear them, or some of my stuff I have like trousers, things like that. Like I would like to help women who are maybe, what is that program when they're going back to work and they need clothes and stuff? Something like that. I just need to find something in our area where I feel like the clothes will be going to people and they won't be like sold for a profit for some, like how like Goodwill does. I don't want to give it to them because then like they sell it. I would like to just give it to someone who actually needs it. I don't need it to be sold. You know what I really need to do for my like fall organizing and just getting my life together? I need to clean my makeup brushes. I gotta do it. I hate cleaning my makeup brushes, but I've been noticing my makeup is not going on well, and I know that if I clean them, it will just be so much better. So it's a bit, oh crap, a bit later than when I first said I was gonna clean my makeup brushes. I started eating a snack, my favorite snack, the dates with butter. I don't know if I've told you guys about that. And then my husband called me. I'm in my guest bathroom. I'm going to do my makeup brushes. I don't think I need to wash, like, I don't use all these. Definitely this one. My husband saw this on Facebook and got it for me, and I really like it. So you've probably seen this. You put this thing on and then you put your brush in here like this. And you put water and soap in here and it'll clean it. Oh, that's some air. I like it. It's easy. And it's clean. It's 7:44. We just finished dinner. We finished a lot later than we expected because we didn't have dinner till later. My husband was on the phone with a friend and I was productive. I edited a video that I needed to get up today, and I should have probably gotten in the shower and done my evening skincare routine, but I did not. So here we are. I want to be in bed by 8:30, so I am. Oh wait, are you about to watch the game?
Yes. I'm gonna do dishes and watch the game.
Oh, thank you. Love you.
Love you too.
He's going to do dishes and watch the game, so I am on my own this evening. Since he's going to watch the game, I don't have to rush. I think I'm gonna take a bath. That is the end of this vlog, and I will start another one tomorrow. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.